Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the DuckDuckGo browser. First, visit DuckDuckGo.com and then click on Download Browser. The download will start immediately. Once it's done, click on the file and then click Install Now. Wait a few seconds while it installs. When the installation is complete, the browser will open automatically. Click Let's Do It, and here you can choose to set DuckDuckGo as your default browser, or simply skip it. Next, click Import if you want to bring your bookmarks and passwords from another browser. Click Next, then click Enable Session Restore, and finally click Start Browsing. And that's it! You can now start using the DuckDuckGo browser. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified about new videos.